gimmick deep down you already know will never work, the Venus Factor is not for you. The Venus Factor is only for women that are ready to put down the gimmick answers in order to follow a proven, flavorful, step-by-step system for lifelong weight loss. So, if you want the real answer to sustainable female weight loss, and if you want to get the bikini body you desire without damaging your metabolism, or spending endless hours in the gym and sacrificing your favorite foods or red wine to do it, then the Venus Factor isn't just a system for you, it's the only system for you. Now, you may believe a one-of-a-kind system that delivers all of this will be extremely expensive. And truth be told, it really should be, considering the countless hundreds of women it's transformed so quickly when nothing else worked. And of course, when my hourly consulting fee for the biggest supplement companies in the world is over $500, it's only natural to think a system that I've poured years of my life into creating might be unaffordable. However, it's not. I only felt right by making the Venus Factor affordable for every woman that needs to lose weight, so don't worry. I'll get to the price in just a moment. First, I need to make you aware of something. You're not just receiving the Venus Factor today. Nope. Just for watching this presentation, I'm going to give you absolutely free of charge a special bonus valued at $297 called the Venus Factor Workouts to help you lose weight even faster. This 12-week female fat loss exercise program is a perfect complement to your main program because most women that work out are unknowingly ruining their results using strategies designed for men instead of following a system proven to match a woman's hormonal environment. This program uses unique exercises to match your hormonal state to target, strengthen, and tone your softest areas and eradicate cellulite from them while accelerating your fat loss results. Inside, you'll discover things like why your workout needs to be much shorter and way less intense than a man's in order to burn fat optimally. The exact exercises women should never do because they actually stall fat loss and make cellulite worse. And you'll be happy to know this includes eliminating long, useless cardio. Unique, easy exercises you can do from home to boost your metabolism, significantly increase leptin sensitivity, kill cellulite, and maximize your fat loss. And listen, this program leaves no stone unturned. I'm including 143 premium video coaching lessons so you can have every advanced tip and trick there is to maximize female fat loss. This is way beyond anything you could ever dream to find from a personal trainer. The entire Venus Factor workouts and all of the 143 video coaching lessons are 100% free today, so that I am with you every step of the way to ensure your success. Oh, and do you have an Apple device or a smartphone? Well, the Venus Factor nutrition and workout system is 100% compatible with all Apple devices and smartphones, so that absolutely everything you need can be at your fingertips 24 hours a day. Now, as crazy as this sounds, I'm not even going to charge my 1-hour rate of $500 for the Venus Factor, in which I'm also including this $297 bonus absolutely free for you today. Nope, I promised you I was going to make this affordable for every woman that needs to lose weight, and I meant it. That's why you're not even going to pay half of that. Heck, you're not even going to pay half of that. Your total investment to own the Venus Factor and the Venus Factor workouts with all the premium video coaching lessons is just a one-time, hugely discounted payment of only $97. Now, I'm sure you'll agree this offer is an unbelievable value, and you're probably ready to get started. However, before you do, as another special thank you for watching this limited time presentation, I'm going to do you one even better. Today, you're not even going to pay the massively discounted price of $97. Through today's special video presentation only, you're going to get immediate access to everything for a one-time, single, secure payment of only $37. Now, if you're stunned because you realize this tiny investment for everything is now less than a single session with a personal trainer, or even a single tub of protein powder these days, hold on a second because I'm not done. I insist on taking things even a step further for you because I know you've been set up to fail for so long it might still be difficult to see yourself experiencing the same real results all of these women have with the Venus Factor. And because I know you will see similar jaw-dropping results as the women you've seen today, I will not just promise them, I will guarantee them. If you don't experience a life-changing, enjoyable fat loss journey unlike anything you've ever tried before, simply send me an email anytime in the next 60 days and I will promptly issue you a 100% refund. I will completely protect you with an ironclad 100% money-back guarantee so that you risk nothing to claim your new body with the Venus Factor today. Sounds more than fair, right? Plus, to even further ensure you experience the quickest, most enjoyable, and supportive fat loss journey possible, I have one more very special bonus worth $79 that you'll have immediate access to free of charge when you get started today. It's called Venus Immersion. Venus Immersion is the ultimate Venus experience. Venus Immersion is a community of thousands of real women that are either starting their own transformations or have been where you are right now before they found the real answer to weight loss. Like-minded women are always there to answer your questions and share support for you during every step of your transformation. It's also a community where I'm currently able to help women individually, give coaching calls, and much, much more, as you'll see, to ensure your fastest and easiest results possible. You see, the last thing we ever want you to feel with Venus is alone. And we promise you won't. Actually, with Venus Immersion, amazing friendships blossom every week. And, in case you're interested, the girls organize fun Venus vacations for anyone that wants to meet up, which is always a good time. We mean it when we say we're all here to support you every step of the way. Get immediate access to everything, including the Venus Factor workouts, and premium video coaching lessons, and Venus Immersion 100% risk-free by clicking the Add to Cart button below right now to get started. That's right. Just choose either the completely green digital version of the Venus Factor that is immediately accessible and compatible with any smartphone, tablet, or computer to begin experiencing all of the amazing benefits that Venus Factor can deliver you in literally just seconds from now. Or, for a very limited time, you can choose to have the Venus Factor physical collection sent right to your home for the same $37 plus shipping and handling. And when you order the physical collection, I'll also include the digital version for free, so that you can get started right away without even having to wait for your package to arrive. Remember, everything you've been doing up until now has not worked, and now you know why. Continuing on such a path will inevitably lead you to even more frustration and greater despair as the weeks pass by and your struggle with your weight gain worsens. This will continue to negatively affect everything, from your relationships with your family, friends, and loved ones to your choice of hobbies, vacations, and even all the way down to the clothes you wear. None of this is what I want for you, and I know this is not what you desire for yourself. There is another path for you that has been paved with the success of thousands of women that have come before you, a path that empowers you to take control of your weight loss and claim the body and life you desire. Imagine the moment you step onto this path to the ideal you. You're finally on your way to being free of every inch and ounce of useless body fat you've been burdened with for so long. At long last, you feel alive, vibrant, healthy, and full of energy. Instead of your favorite foods making you gain weight, your new metabolism now uses them as fuel to accelerate your fat-burning results. Each morning, you're bursting with anticipation to step on the scale and see the weight disappearing in the bathroom mirror. You look forward to wearing the clothes you've always wanted to wear and hearing the daily compliments you're receiving. Your self-confidence improves every relationship you have, the decisions you make, and even the opportunities that now come your way. This is your new path, and it's time to realize it. Turn on your fat-burning switch and claim your new metabolism, your new life, and your new future right now. Click the Add to Cart button below right now to get started. You'll be granted immediate access to everything, including the extremely limited time Venus Immersion bonus. I cannot stress enough how time-sensitive this offer is because we're very close to our maximum membership capacity right now. Remember, all of the sensational transformations you've seen today cannot be flukes. They are all real women that have been where you are right now before finding the true answer to lifelong weight loss. And they are on the inside waiting to help you achieve the same. And let me remind you, I don't just promise the similar success and spectacular results like the women you've seen today. I absolutely guarantee it. Just don't delay and come back to find today's special pricing for this revolutionary system gone forever. As much as I would love to carry on with today's special pricing of just $37, the cost of advertising this breakthrough female fat loss system to the world makes this absolutely impossible. And I also have to inform you that today is the very last day I can guarantee your Venus Immersion super bonus because we've almost reached our community limit, and spots are filling up extremely fast. Do the smart thing, the right thing. Make today one that you'll always remember as a great day, a life-changing day. Take advantage of today's limited time presentation offer and choose the friendly, enjoyable, and guaranteed path to sustainable weight loss right now. Click the Add to Cart button below right now, and we'll see you on the other side. Want to hear